So hello friend, let's start our first puzzle in the puzzle series. It is a very easy puzzle and you can do it, and such kind of puzzle basically ask in the interview, and at the end of your interview when you are giving the all the technical question or in HR, so that interviewer want to check your analytical mind. So let's start the puzzle, and this puzzle is like this. A hungry worm is living on the tree, and he is so hungry that on the day one this worm eat one leaves. On day two worms eat two leaves. In day three worms eat four leaves, and in day four worms leaves eight leaves. So this worm continuously eat up to 30 days. Now question is this, at last, on which date did the worm finish exactly the half of the total number of leaves? So at what days the exactly half of the leaf on this tree? Now for that I am giving you the 2 minutes. Now your time is start. So whatever your answer, please write in the comment box. Quickly do it. At what day the exactly half the leaf will be on the tree? It means half the leaves is eaten by this worm. What will be the answer? Please write down in the comment box. Last 30 seconds. Now stop. Hope all of you have done it. So let's check your answer. Time is over now. A very hungry worm reaches to the tree and eat the leaf in the following sequence as given, and it sequentially eat for 30 days. So question is this: on which day did worm finish exactly the half of the total leaf? So let us start. You can see the day 1 there is one leaf, it means it is 2 to power 0. On day 2 it is 2 to power 1. On day 3 it is 4 leaf 2 to power 2. On day 4 it means 2 to power 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means if you reach to the day 30, it means it is 2 to power 29. Okay, exactly. So this number of leaf, so at the last day are left. So what is half of this 2 to power 29? So half of this is, as you take the comparison between day 3 and day 4. Okay, 2 to power 3 is equal to 8 and 2 to power 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is just half of the 8. So it means on day 29 it will be 2 to power 28, and 2 to power 28 is just half of the 2 to power 29. So it means, so on day 29 it have exactly the half of the leaf. So the correct answer is 29. If you have 29, then it is a correct answer. If still you have doubt, then please mention in the comment box. Hope you have understood this, and we will soon come with the second puzzle. Thanks, and it will hope you have understand this, and such kind of person you may face in the interview or in placement. So keep watching it. Thanks to everyone. Jai Hind.